The Eiffel Tower, La Tour Eiffel, is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, located in Paris, France. It was originally constructed as the entrance arch for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, World's Fair, to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. Today, it stands as a global symbol of France and attracts millions of visitors each year. Eiffel Tower is located at Champ de Mars, Paris, France, with height of 330 meters, 1,083 feet, and the construction period, 1887 to 1889. Material, wrought iron, weight, 100 tons. Floors, 3 levels open to the public visiting the Eiffel Tower. First floor, glass floor, exhibitions and restaurants. Second floor, best panoramic views of Paris and Michelin-starred restaurant Le Jules Verne. Summit, offers breathtaking views accessed via elevator only, and features Gustave Eiffel's office. Interesting facts. Originally criticized by artists and intellectuals but later became a beloved landmark. It was the tallest structure in the world until the Chrysler Building, New York, was completed in 1930. The tower expands by about 15 centimeters, 6 inches, in summer due to heat expansion. It is repainted every 7 years using 60 tons of paint. At the best times to visit: sunset and night. The Eiffel Tower sparkles for 5 minutes every hour after sunset with 20,000 lights. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was never meant to be a permanent structure? When it was built for the 1889 World's Fair, many Parisians, especially artists, thought it was an eyesore. But over time, it became the most iconic symbol of France. Standing at 330 meters tall, it was the tallest structure in the world until 1930. And here's a fun fact: because it's made of iron, it actually grows a little in the summer, expanding by about 15 centimeters. Today, millions of people visit every year to admire its breathtaking views, dine in its restaurants, and watch the stunning light show at night. Whether you see it up close or from a distance, the Eiffel Tower never fails to impress. What to wear when visiting the Eiffel Tower? Your outfit depends on the season, weather, and whether you're just sightseeing or dining at one of the tower's restaurants. Spring and summer, March, August. Casual and comfortable, light, breathable clothing, t-shirts, dresses, shorts, or light pants. Comfortable shoes, sneakers or walking sandals, lots of walking and stairs. Sunglasses and hat, protection from the sun, especially if visiting during midday. Light jacket. Evenings can get chilly, especially at the summit. Fall and winter, September, February. Warm layers, sweater, coat or jacket, it's colder at the top. Scarf, gloves and hat, essential in winter, especially for summit visits. Comfortable boots or sneakers. Avoid heels unless dining at Le Jules Verne. Tip: if visiting at night, a stylish outfit works well for photos, but always prioritize comfort. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Interesting lift fact: when it was first built in 1889, the Eiffel Tower's lifts were considered a big engineering achievement. Even today, they move about 7 million visitors a year, making them some of the most used tourist elevators in the world. The Eiffel Tower has several lifts that operate between the ground, first, second, and summit levels. Since the tower is huge and has curved iron structures, the lifts are special. They run on inclined tracks between the legs of the tower. From the ground to the second floor, you can either use the lift or the stairs, if you're up for climbing around 674 steps. From the second floor to the summit, you must use a smaller lift that goes straight up through the core of the tower. In the observation decks, they are mostly open spaces where visitors can walk around freely. There are some benches for resting, especially on the first and second floors, but the summit is mostly a standing/viewing area. Here's some interesting fact of the Eiffel Tower. You cannot walk to the summit top. To go from the second floor to the summit, you must take the elevator. Staircase at the Eiffel Tower. If you're feeling adventurous, you can climb the stairs instead of taking the lift. You can climb from the ground floor, first floor, second floor via the south pillar. From first to second floor, about 346 more steps. Total to second floor, 674 steps. Note: you cannot walk to the summit top. To go from the second floor to the summit, you must take the elevator. Staircase at the Eiffel Tower. If you're feeling adventurous, you can climb the stairs instead of taking the lift. Total steps, 1,665 from the ground to the summit, but visitors can only climb up to the second floor, 674 steps. Allowed climb. You can walk from the ground floor to the first and second floors. After that, you must take the lift to the summit. Time required, around 30 to 45 minutes to reach the second floor, depending on fitness level. Experience. Offers unique views of the iron structure and the city, with information panels along the way about the tower's history. There are several gift shops in and around the Eiffel Tower where you can buy souvenirs. First floor and second floor shops sell mini Eiffel Towers, keychains, books, postcards, and French-themed gifts. Some exclusive Eiffel Tower branded items. Summit Shop. Small souvenir shop offering premium collectibles and champagne. Dining at Eiffel Tower restaurants. Eiffel Tower has a variety of dining options, from casual snacks to fine dining with breathtaking views. Here's what you can expect. Madame Brasserie, first floor. Casual dining, smart casual, jeans and nice top are fine. A casual dining experience with Parisian dishes. Seating is arranged in an elegant, modern style with a mix of tables for couples and groups. Menu, French cuisine with seasonal dishes, soups, meats, seafood, desserts. Ambience, relaxed, stylish setting with views over Paris. Reservations are highly recommended to ensure your preferred dining experience. For the most current menus, pricing, and to make a reservation, please visit Madame Brasserie's official website.
Hello, we're having dinner here in Madame Brasserie. There's the champagne. And what's that? That's... Hi, Mimi. And that one is a caviar. What is it?
Lentil soup with escallop and caviar.
Okay, see it.
Lentil soup with escallop and some caviar.
And what's my order?
That's a shrimp and chips.
Yeah, and scallops.
No, it's chips and shrimp.
Okay. Here. Take me to it. Hello. We're having dinner here in Madame Brasserie in Eiffel Tower, the first floor. So, Kat is having caviar with scallops, and I have the langoustine.
Yes, that.
Langoustine with shrimp,
shrimp and
scallops.
a piece of chip.
Yes. And of course, Evie. What's in your Evie?
This is the langoustine
Langoustine.
with celery.
Celery.
This is a tweet with like a
Chip.
crunchy.
Put her in the video. Put her in the video.
Oh, it's
Is it
okay.
And then this is the sauce, bisque sauce.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh really?
Yeah, RICKYBABY probably.
Okay, you
Yeah.
You guys follow.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is Evie from Greece. Yeah. So you're gonna be in my YouTube channel. I have 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna be famous. Yeah,
Oh
I'm gonna-
yes,
yeah.
yeah. He will give you
RICKYBABY probably. Yeah. This is Evie, our
our
beautiful,
beautiful
servant. She's
waitress.
famous in Greece. You just work here for fun. So she work here for nothing. You just give us the food and then she'll go home.
I don't know what to do in Paris.
Yes.
I came to the tower for
Yeah.
Yes.
So say hi to your friends in Greece.
Hello, Calispera. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna give you my channel.
Yes. Please follow.
Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
we have the langoustine.
So then this is the
scallop with caviar, French caviar on top. We have two textures of lentils. The first one is the lentils, like lentil salad, and the second one is the soup, lentil soup. So all this is one.
Thank you, Evie.
And this is the langoustine.
Yeah, and this is
Celery.
this is the
And here we have champagne. It's devil.
oh.
Same champagne.
Oh, I thought it was the devil champagne.
No.
So we have only one bottle, right?
Yes.
That's all we need.
You drink if you see that you drink.
Ah, okay.
No, just one is good.
One is it.
Interesting. Thank you,
You're
Evie.
welcome. Enjoy.
This is the main course?
The second main course.
Oh, the second main
Second course. Or
It's
second
a
course.
lobster with pasta. And what do you have?
This is sea bass,
With spinach.
spinach, and
So let me try this. You see?
maybe it's like lobster bisque.
Yeah, it is. a lobster dish. But so I guess this is where you're paying for the lobster. See that? See this lobster right here? Yeah. Yeah. Lobster bits and the pasta. It's really good though. Good experience here.
The experience is great.
Yeah. That's unbelievable experience. We are the top of the almost top of the world, but no, just the second one, just kidding.
Oh yeah, that's what
Okay.
we're paying for.
Okay. Oh, the pasta is good. And this is really good. Here. Is it here? Yeah. This is pasta with a lobster. It's just a lobster base. It's really good. It's worth having here the good experience. Here in Madame Brasserie in Eiffel Tower.
Sea bass.
Yeah.
Your pompano is tastier.
Okay.
But we're here for the experience.
Here, right here. Have a picture? Look at this bread. It's just bread, regular bread, but covered with leather cover. See right there. Yeah? This is just a dinner roll. And with this longestine, it's really good. I mean, really good. Extremely good. Well, thank you. So, what's the next one, Mimi?
This comes with the,
This is the second.
this is the first course and then
Okay.
it comes with the menu. It comes with the course, it's meat
So
pie.
this is a 3-course dinner, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is called the meat pie.
She just said it's the meat pie. So every meal or every course, or this is automatic default, one of the courses.
Okay. Yeah, this is by default. Okay.
She said it's meat pie.
This is really good. Traditional meat pie. Extremely delicious. So this is the final. This is the dessert now. A rice pudding. What is this?
Oh, this is rice pudding.
Oh, let me see.
This is your white
Rice pudding.
with salted caramel.
Okay. Was that?
Rice pudding with salted caramel.
Okay. And this one?
And then just some little
Macaron.
macaron.
Yeah. And this one? Shupao.
That's the one with the white chocolate and I forgot.
Okay. We are in the dessert now, final part of the 3-course meal. This is the pudding, this is macaron, and this is shupao.
What is this again?
Vanilla ice cream.
Oh, vanilla!
Oh, that's his favorite. Oh, we forgot.
I thought it was like a bread. Oh.
Yes,
I thought it was a shupao.
like the Chinese,
This is a vanilla.
the vanilla ice cream.
Very
Okay.
famous
Oh.
So,
ice cream.
to all my subscribers, so this is a good service from
Evie.
and Madame Brasserie. And Evie is a good service, very professional and friendly.
Yes,
So I highly recommend that to keep her.
a pleasant to be around.
It's only one of a kind and the service is good, professionally good. And it's the first time I'm here in Eiffel Tower. To all my subscribers in YouTube, this is Evie. She did a good service for us. It's remarkable.
Thank you.
And Madame Brasserie, she's a good worker and very friendly and good service. Excellent.
Excellent.
You are also very, very nice.
If I can
And
put,
really nice
if
to
I
meet
can
you.
put 10 star, I will.
Oh, thank you.
But since we're limited to 5, right? Thank you, Evie.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy your dessert.
I thought it was an
Oo nga, I
super-
forgot.
But this is a vanilla ice cream actually. Look at
Can I say also
Yeah,
hi to
yeah.
my mom?
Oh, yes!
yeah, we're gonna put it in
Yes, give it, Mama.
Yeah.
I would like to say, γεια σου μαμά, μου λείπεις πολύ, σ' αγαπώ. I said just hi to my mom.
It's a good one.
Yeah, keep going. Yes, keep going.
To your friend.
Hi, my friend. I miss my friend. Anna.
Can you zoom her?
Yes.
Yeah, go.
Anna, σ' αγαπώ πολύ, μου λείπεις και εύχομαι να σε δώσει εδώ.
Yeah.
In Greek.
In Greek?
Yes.
Okay.
In Philippines, you can
In Pilipinas, magandang gabi sa inyo. This is Eddie. Mahusay siya na mag-service sa amin. And to all my friends in the Philippines, if you go to Eiffel Tower, hanapin niyo si Eddie.
Ask
New
for
word,
Evie.
I will repeat it in
Salamat.
Salam.
Salamat.
Salamat means thank you.
Salamat.
Yes.
Salam.
Yeah.